Hi everyone, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all doing well, keeping safe and being fabulous doing so. What do we have here today? A very quick one, hibiscus cocktail lemonade. I know you're gonna like it. Okay, so for our ingredients, what do we have here? The main ingredient, which is 1 cup of hibiscus leaves. I have a cup of lemon juice. I have about 7 cloves here. I have half a cup of honey. I have a cup of pineapple juice right here. And I have 4 cups of water. So let's get into it. Okay friends, so I've already washed my hibiscus leaves. And I'm going to go ahead and add in my cloves. And add the water. Turning my fire on. So I have my fire on medium high, and I'm gonna cook this for about 20 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes, this is what hibiscus leaves looks like. We're gonna turn it off and have a cool down before we strain it, because this is just way too hot to strain. So we're done here. We let it cool down, we strain it, and we mix it up. So here we have it friends. I strained my hibiscus leaves and we're gonna mix it up. So we go in first with the lemon juice. There's no real good way to mix it up. You can just mix it up anyhow you want to. You don't have to use lemon juice first or whatever. Just do whatever you want to do you. I just finish it up with my honey. Okay, so now after adding my lemon juice, my pineapple juice, and my honey, I stir it. And that's it. We chill it and serve. Okay friends, so this is how it turned out, a hibiscus cocktail lemonade. I hope you're inspired to try it out. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know how it came out. Do not forget to subscribe, to comment, like, and share. Hope to see you again in my next video. Bye.